Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I will show you how to create your first project in Flutter. First you should create a folder. In this folder you will put all your Flutter projects. Get into this folder and create another folder with the name of your project. For example, my project. The name of the folder should be on lowercase. And now, go to VS Code, click on File, then Open Folder. Choose the main folder that you will create. The next step is to go to Terminal. On bottom. There is 3 commands you should pass. First one is flutter create my project. Now wait until it create the project. And now the project is created. To run this one we should get in the project folder, and to do this, use the comment cd my project. So now we are inside the folder. It remains only one command, which is flutter run, and wait until the installation finish. I'll put the result in the end of the video. Next video we will see the first widget.